InCharge 6. InCharge 6 allows you to charge and sync USB-C, Apple, and micro USB devices from any USB port. But it doesn't stop there. Since many laptops and power banks are moving to USB-C ports, InCharge 6 features also USB-C as input. Can't find a port around you? Just steal your friend's phone. InCharge 6 supports power transfer from one phone to another, to wireless earbuds, or any other device. Need more freedom? InCharge 6 Max gives you 5 feet of mobility. It's the perfect domestic and travel cable. Durable keyring cable ever. Yes, all of them. Introduce us today and get your InCharge 6 at the lowest price it will ever be.
Introducing Beaky, the world's very first bionic underwater drone. Driven by a 4K UHD camera, bionic caudal fin, and a streamlined body design. Operate Beaky via your smart device or remote control. It's simple to learn and easy to use. Just turn it on and throw it into the water. Beaky will automatically balance itself. Love it. And the caudal fin is 100% safe. You can also set up a route to free your hands. And you can watch your kids anytime. Go fishing with Beaky. Put it into the water. With the bionic design, it won't spook any marine life. Record your fishing experience. Get into the water with Beaky. The waterproof controller can help you control Beaky while underwater. Explore the places you can't access. Take underwater selfies with your friends. Or just simply have fun.
From the people that brought you the Vibe Tribe range of powerful resonant speakers, which took the world by storm, Vibe Tribe now brings you the Mini Troll, the world's smallest wireless resonant speaker. It turns anything into a speaker by literally spreading the sound waves through the material it is placed on. And it is still small enough to fit in your jeans mini pocket. So, how does it work? The Mini Troll is based on an innovative technology developed by the US Navy for military use in submarines. The unique thing about this is its resonance core that transforms electromagnetic pulses into vibrations, which spread directly across any surface you choose, transforming any surface into a powerful speaker. Simply turn on your Mini Troll, place it on a hard surface, and enjoy your music with quality, powerful sound. Its vacuum base will make sure your Mini Troll stays right where you put it. In the small traditional speakers, the sound is propagated from a small membrane, and this naturally limits the sound power. Instead, with Mini Troll, the sound is projected by the mass of the chosen surface, allowing much higher sound level. Furthermore, in the traditional membrane speaker, the sound comes from a specific direction. Instead, the chosen surface projects the sounds in every direction, creating a surround effect. Everyone will hear the same sound, making it perfect for entertaining, even the office. The Mini Troll is great for extending the audio of a laptop or for making easy, hands-free conference calls. The 360-degree sound will ensure everyone hears the same information. We've been working tirelessly over the last 12 months to miniaturize the technology of our well-loved Vibe Tribe resonance. Choose the quality of the solid metal, Italian-designed Mini Troll, which comes with an automatic 24-month warranty worldwide. Enjoy the vibe. Join the tribe. Please back speakers without compromising the sound quality or losing any of the key distinctive brand factors. We need your help to mass produce the Mini Troll and get it to your doorstep. Stop listening to your music